I got my very first wireless microphone. Let's open it together. See what's inside. So and a wire, USB-C. Yeah. Oh my god, so cute! And a charger, I think. This charger, I think, is smaller than my nail. Oh, slightly bigger. And then measure like this. I probably can put it magnet back. Wow, so mini. Love it. From now on, I'm gonna use this microphone to record my video. Alright, thank you for watching. I will see you next time.